Dear students, today we are going to revise our grammar topic, that is articles. Now students, you must know that there are three kinds of articles. They are a, an and the. Now a and an are called indefinite articles and the is called definite article. So the is the definite article and a and an are the indefinite articles. A and an both mean one. A and an both are meaning they are representing only one thing. So they are used before singular countable noun. For example, a book, a clock, an hour, an egg. Now, the is used for singular and plural both, but it is used for things or persons which have already been introduced. See this I can explain you with an example. Like if a story is there and in the story you are talking about a lion, and again if you are talking of the same lion, then you can add the lion. As the lion itself in the story, in the beginning of the story, you have introduced that character. So the is used for singular and plural both. A and an both mean anyone or a certain. An is used before vowel sounds. Remember vowel sounds. Vowels, you must be remembering that there are five vowels: a, e, I, o, u. So five vowels are there, and in those vowels, vowel sound, a vowels gives us a sound. Then e is there, e again is giving us a sound. I is there, I gives us the e sound. Then o is there, o gives us the o sound. U gives us the a sound. So a, e, I, o, u, these five vowels are there. So you have to focus on their sounds, and wherever these vowels are used and those sounds are coming, so you have to use their an. So at all the places we use a. Otherwise we use a. Hence a boy, a woman, a bird, a book, a cow, a horse, a stranger, a singer, a leader, a watch, etc. And see the sound now, an enemy. See the enemy. E sound is given and E is giving a. A sound is coming. So a sounds, with a sound we are using an. Orange, o. O sound is there. So we have used an. Umpire, yum nahi, we are not responding it as yum, but is so a sound with, again we are using an. And higher, h is silent here, higher. And honest, h is silent here and o is there, so o sound is coming, so honest man. An egg, again e sound is giving as a. So the sound, we have to focus on the sound, the vowels which are giving us the sound a, e, I, o, u. If the vowel gives the sound of a consonant, sometime it is there that the that particular word is written with the vowel letter, but the sound is consonant, such as u, giving the sound of U gives us the sound of Y, or O, giving the signs of W. We use the article A before it. See, the U is written, but we are not reading it as a. It is giving us some other sound. So then we will use A article, like a European. European. E is there. E is a vowel, but still it is not giving us the sound of vowel. So we have used here a European. A eve, eve. A uniform, a university. A one-eyed man. A 1 rupee note. So I hope these things are clear to you people. Rest of the things we will do in our online classes. We can take some examples also, like you have to fill a or an here. You are a fool to say that. I first met him an year. uh, we have used here an, because y is silent here. So an year ago, an older man would not accept it. Easy language. I bought a horse, an ox, and a buffalo. Then the Ganga is a holy river. It is difficult to find an honest man. He is as stupid as an owl. What a beautiful scene it is. Take an egg and make an omelette, because here O is giving us the sound of O. I hope the things are clear to you people. Now see, again they have explained us the use of the. The is used for persons or things already referred to as the man who came here, the man. So we are talking of the particular person, particular man is there, the man who came here. The book I bought. So I am talking about the book which I have already bought. The king was old. The king. So which king we are talking about? That is the old king we are talking. The car he drove. So the car which he was driving or which he drove. Now, when a singular noun represents a whole class, so sometimes we use the as a if the word is using for a whole class, like the cow is a useful animal. Think of all cows. So we are talking about the whole class of the cows. And then the tiger is the king of the forest. So here also we are talking about all tigers, not a single tiger. But when the words man and woman are used to represent the whole class, the is not used. So when we talk about the man and woman, we never use the. Simply we use it like man is a mortal and woman is man's companion. I hope the things are clear to you people, and the rest of the things will be clear in your online class. Thank you.